Hello kids, let's draw an elephant. First of all, we have to draw a head of elephant. Now it's time to draw nose and trunks. Now draw a left ear. Now draw a right ear. Draw elephant's body.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now draw elephant's legs. Elephant has 4 legs.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now it's time to draw a tail.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
Wow, it's completed. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye kids.